Let's take a look at this problem. We want to convert radians to degrees or degree to radians, then round the answer to the nearest hundredth. We got 141 degrees. Now we'll use dimensional analysis on this. Again, we'll put that in fraction form, so put over 1. Now multiply it by, and then if degrees is here, then degrees has to be down here. And we got 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. So in this case, we're going from degrees to radians. Now you could sit there and memorize this, but dimension analysis kind of guides you exactly on how to do the conversion. But in case you're wondering, the formula is whenever you multiply, or when you're converting from degrees to radians, you always multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, well those marks will cancel, and we'll end up with 141 pi over 180. Now I could do some simplifying here, but I might as well go ahead and plug in my calculator since I want to round to the nearest hundredth. Notice up on top we have more than a single number, single pi, single anything, so we're going to put parentheses around the top part. Order operations doesn't actually require it in this problem, but we're just going to do that as a convention. Makes it easier. You don't have to sit there and remember when do you need to do it. So do a beginning parentheses, 141 pi, so do second caret, closing parentheses divided by 180. And then press enter. And round to the hundredth, so it's 2 decimal places, so it'll be 2.46. And there is no mark on here because this is radians. So how we'd enter our answer is simply 2.46. Now let's talk about how we can do this on the calculator. We're converting to radians, so on my calculator, if I go to mode and come down to the line that says radian degrees, and I want to make sure radians is chose. Mine's already chose, but if yours isn't chose, then make sure your flashing cursors on radian and press enter one time. Then do a second mode exit out. You have to change it to whatever measure you're converting to. Now I'm going to put in 141 degrees, so I'll do 141, and I'm going to go into my angle menu, so I do second apps, and I'm going to choose the first one with the degree mark, and then press enter. And you see we rounded 2 decimal places, we get our 2.46. So that's how you can use technology to do that conversion.